Hi everyone, it's Shem again. Here's a short video of how to fit a set of SRC Panier Racks for Honda CRF 250L. I'm going to start with taking these bolts off, and they're gonna be replaced with the bolts that came with a kit and some spacers. So once these bolts are removed, I'm gonna loosely assemble the rear rack. I'm gonna start with inserting the longer spacers on this side, and then using longer boards and washers under them, and then the shorter spacers go on here with the shorter bolts, and then washer in between the bolt and the aluminium rack. So relatively straightforward. I'm gonna align it now and tighten the bolts. Okay, so now those bolts have been tightened. I've used 20 Newton meters for those M8 bolts. I'm now gonna proceed with loosely assembling both pannier racks, one with the petrol canister and one without on the other side, and then I'll probably put the bracing, loosely assemble the bracing between as well, and then once everything is aligned, I'm gonna torque it all up. So I think I'm gonna be using, those are M5 bolts, so I'm gonna be using about 5 Newton meters of torque, and I'll probably put a drop-off Loctite in there. Okay, so everything is loosely assembled now. It fits very well, no issues whatsoever. The back brace is here as well, fits nicely. I'm gonna torque everything up. As mentioned, I will use 5 Newton meters for those M5 screws, and probably 5 Newton meters for these two screws as well, and obviously same set of screws on the other side. So so far so good. And the screws, the bolts on this sides are a bit tricky to get to because the exhaust goes underneath, but with a ratchet extension it's all doable. You just have to be patient with it. Other than that, it fits very nicely. Okay, so the top rack and the pannier racks are now on the bike. It all fits pretty nice. I'm slightly concerned because it's got a little bit of a wibble wobble, and I don't think it's gonna be an issue during normal riding. However, if I drop the bike on it, I wonder if it's either gonna bend or snap. But well, we're just gonna have to see how it's gonna behave. But other than that, I'm pretty pleased with how it fits and how it looks. So I'll let you know more about it when I had a chance to do a bit of riding with it on. Thank you for watching. If you've got any questions or comments, leave them in the description down below.